Hello everyone, here is Weida TSR10 line equipment, which installed in 2025 year. You can see the slab cutter, single helix breaking, crushing, cleaning machine now. It is 6,000 mm diameter of water-brandy pour. C. We are one-stage creping and threading replace multi-stage. We do not take two-stage or three-stage creping and threading, so that we can be lower production costs, less sharing, less damage to rubber molecular chains accordingly. More complete molecular structure means better rubber quality. Our creping machine is built tough from the inside out. High rigidity frames, base and crossbeam, no deformation even under long heavy loads. We customize speed and groove exactly for your raw material and process. So uniform thin sheet, continuous output and stable quality. Look, this is the finished dry rubber from Weida drying oven. Uniform color, low impurity content, all performance indicators are stable and up to standards. We provide a complete set of natural rubber processing equipment from creping, threading, and drying. Whole line matching use brings a smoother processing connection and improves both capacity and quality. If you need any information, please contact JC. Thanks for watching.